Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at Bitwarden and AdGuard VPN to see who protects you better. Bitwarden or AdGuard VPN, which tool actually keeps you safe online? This is the second showdown reveals the winner for passwords, privacy and security. It is perfect for beginners and pros. So let's get started. Password hacked? Ads tracking you? Well, Bitwarden and AdGuard VPN claim to protect you, but which one's the real hero? Let's settle this in 60 seconds. When it comes to purpose, Bitwarden stores passwords safely. AdGuard VPN blocks ads and hides IP. Who wins? They're quite different, so we can pick a winner here. What is it best for? Bitwarden is best for forgetful people, while AdGuard VPN is best for paranoid streamers. Who wins? Also depends on what you're using it for. Now, when it comes to free plan, Bitwarden has free plan for unlimited devices, while AdGuard VPN has free plan but for limited devices. So who wins? Bitwarden for sure. For sure. Now, when it comes to security, Bitwarden has zero knowledge encryption, while AdGuard VPN has no logs policy. So who wins? I think it's a tie. Let's go for speed. Bitwarden doesn't slow you down. AdGuard VPN can actually reduce your speed. So who wins? Bitwarden. Let's go for extra perks. Bitwarden has autofill passwords, and AdGuard VPN blocks ads and trackers. So who wins? Definitely AdGuard VPN. So you see, Bitwarden equals password king, but AdGuard VPN says bye-bye ads plus creepy trackers. So use both for maximum security. So Team Bitwarden or Team AdGuard, comment below. Smash like if this saved your digital life, and subscribe for more 1-minute tech battles. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to write in the comment section which one you trust the most.